Good evening, everybody. Happy Sunday. I'm about to start cooking my chicken liver for Sunday dinner. I already seasoned it, cleaned it up, and then I'm just messing around. Try to get all the seasons in it. And I'm gonna put it in the pan, fried. I'm gonna get back with y'all. Y'all see? Nice and brown, the way I like it. Y'all see? Y'all see? I just put my gravy in here with my liver. All right. Let this cook and then I'm gonna get that with y'all. See, it's thickening up, y'all. Let me move this back so y'all can see. See the gravy thicken up? Nice and pretty. Oh yeah.
Your pan out.
Yes, I did. Thank you for reminding me though. Appreciate it. But yeah, I poured the pan. They real big. Okay, you can stop it. You don't want yours on top of that, do you?
Yeah, you can put some gravy on top of it.
Do you want it? Okay. Y'all, this is the final results. Thank y'all for all the likes. Thanks to my community. Appreciate y'all. Y'all the best.